I am Erica Rusey Peterson, and this lesson is on the T sound when T reduces to a soft D. This is a standard American reduction. That means it's part of standard American English. It's not informal. If you say ta and da, you will notice that your tongue is in the same place. That can show you how this was a natural reduction that happened over time. T reduces to a light D when it comes between two vowel sounds. Even when it comes between vowel sounds in two words that are next to each other. This is a very important sound to learn because it is one of the big differences between standard American English and British English. Let's practice with words from the list. Abouta, atta, beauty, better, bottle, but I, city, Ida, getta, gotta, great idea, hot afternoon, it is, letta, letter, lida, little, lotta, lot of, notice, out of, pattern, puta, quarter, vada, waita, water, whata, what I, writa, yetta, yet I, computer, university, 30, 40, 70, 80, 90. So let's study a few more things. L and R act as semi-vowels. Sometimes they act more as a vowel, sometimes more as a consonant. At least that's how linguists explain that this rule applies even when the T is next to an L or an R as well, as in the word bottle or in the word quarter. Also, the word university is good because that I-T-Y ending is almost always itty with the light D sound. And all the other words like ability, any other I-T-Y ending. Okay, that completes our practice on the T to D sound of standard American English. Practice with the list at www.speakmethod.com. 500 words pronunciation. Thanks. Bye-bye.